So here we are. We are not in the robot lab. We are in the kitchen. I have put the collar, the acrylic collar, into the dishwasher. It's been running for about an hour and a half now, and I stopped it before I got to the dry cycle because we don't want to get hot in there and melting anything. But I haven't opened it up yet, so this will be the first time. It might be in pieces in there. We'll see. This is like Geraldo Rivera's opening of Al Capone's vault here. We really don't know what's going to happen in there. So let's give it a shot. Oh, it looks like it's in one piece, and yes, I did take an opportunity to wash some dishes. Don't want to run a half-empty load, you know. We are ecologically responsible. So here it is. Oh, it looks like it's sparkling pretty good. Remember how dull and nasty it was? Oh man, yeah, I like it. Look at that reflection. Look at that reflection. I'm loving it. I'm happy. It looks like it's in one piece, and I'm ready to start working on it now. Getting those ribs fixed and putting the bolts through there and locking them in so I can make a drop lock. All right, well, I'm relieved. Good, okay. We'll see you guys back in the lab.